But now what's the fucking game plan now?
I don't know. Stay in the plane until it stops raining, or until we die.
Oh shit, I'm fucking burning up.
Ah, fuck! No, my cloth! My cloth! My cloth! I gotta sneeze. Oh my god! I need the warmth of a human. I gotta sneeze it. I gotta sneeze again. Oh my god!
Oh shit, I think I ate a
And by accident. Oh, I don't know about that.
I was keep one log. Y'all got one log.
Y'all got no logs?
Fuck off. I wanna keep all my dollars.
Okay, Bruno Mars.
Fuck off. Fuck, you look posted up like dead ass.
Oh, dude, you look like you look like Moises. You look like Moises if he was a fucking adult.
No, I fucking don't.
You do. I wish I could. No, look at my stream.
How should I see it? Oh, I can see it. Damn.
Moises, dude, Moises has like a college life already, and it's not even. Oh yeah, we need one more log, huh?
Yeah, I'm dying over here.
Okay, I'm gonna go cut a tree. Okay,
Yeah, so
I've eaten 559 calories from the blueberries. Holy shit! 559 calories just by eating 5 blueberries?
I ate a bench.
I ate a bench.
Wow. I made a bench.
Oh, you, okay, I thought you said like, oh, I ate a bench. Like, how many calories was in that wood?
That shit made of wood. That shit got me.
Premium oak. Shut the fuck up.
Premium oak. Nigga, that, I mean...
Yeah, go ahead. You always in? Go ahead. You already saying?
I was about to mention about pressing oak to be proud of.
Trying to get his jung down jiggler snack up ate it and fuck with my nut on C's. Baby boy said line my bit will you until our sleep snack up ends. Bong nella oo snacks. You wanna see the alcohol burners man snacks?
Sit on me.
Hello. What you staring for, shit block?
You look like Moises, dude.
Shut the fuck up.
Shall we just find the beach and live at it again? Oh my god. Oh, puta madre!
Don't fucking die. I'm going.
I think this is a different beach. I'm gonna die! They fucking hit me 2 times! I'm already gonna fucking die! I'm swimming in the water. I'm swimming in the water.
Damn.
Nah, no! I'm already fucking dead! Son of a bitch! I'm down. No RuneScape. Wow, fuck you.
Alright. What, shut the door out?
Let me in. Fucking bitch. Ah, what the fuck? You can throw it through the wall? No, it was on turtle. Is that a turtle? No. Fuck, I need a turtle. Oh, Armando! Let me in, motherfucker,
Hey, look, I see myself in the tree.
About to stream some of this boy. Oh shit! I thought it would show. Okay, I killed that bird. I thought it would show me an outline of where I would throw it.
Damn, I'm gonna kill boy.
Dude, I fucking.
You're gonna throw something at me? I know the thing. Oh, I know it's delayed. You fucking suck. You got the bird.
I burn, dude. Look at that ass. Ah, fucking hell! Ah, his friend is back. Don't worry, you won't be left out. I'll use your ass as fucking pillow comforting.
I'm about to die.
I know. We need to die.
No, we.
What? Who's we? Yes! Alright, now I'm gonna throw a Molotov on the floor.